Alright, this is my Dissipator. I'm going to take the sling off really quick because I don't need that. I got the Surefire X300 light on it. And I'm going to take you in the backyard and show you how bright this light actually really is. I actually think it's too bright, but it's perfect for clearing rooms and all that shit. Not quite sure how it's going to hold up with being so close to the muzzle brake and how dirty it's going to get, but I guess we're going to find out. But it's a really bright light, so I'm going to go in the backyard and see how bright this bitch is. I got a huge backyard, so hold on. Alright, we're in the backyard. Got the police scanner on. Here's my backyard. As you can see, it's dark as fuck right now. Let's see what we got for light. As you can see, this thing is bright, and that's a huge ash tree. The Surefire X300. Now you're not getting probably the full beam, but it's lighting up the whole backyard. But that's freaking pretty bright. So I don't know how good that showed up on the light, because I haven't viewed the video yet. But if you're thinking about getting a Surefire X300, I love Surefire products. Go ahead and pick yourself up one, because they're light, they're easy to throw on your guns, pistols, rifles, whatever. This light is freaking so bright. If you're thinking about getting one, pick one up.